Hello and welcome in class 5 mathematics. Let's start chapter 9, that is profit and loss. So here the explanation of the chapter profit and loss. Lalaji is a shopkeeper. Here's the example. Lalaji is a shopkeeper. He buys his goods either from the factory directly or from the wholesaler. He then tries to sell each of goods or items at a higher price to earn money. If he succeeds, he makes a profit or gain, or he suffers a loss. Okay. So shopkeeper is the factory directly from the wholesaler. Goods वो लेके जाते थे, जो भी goods वगैरह थे वो factory से directly wholesaler एज अ होलसेलर लेकर आते थे. ही देन ट्राइज टू सेल ईच ऑफ गुड्स और आइटम्स एट अ हायर प्राइस. उसके बाद उन गुड्स और आइटम्स को वो हायर प्राइस पे एट हायर प्राइस टू अर्न मनी. एक्स्ट्रा मनी अर्न करने के लिए वो हायर प्राइस पर से सेल करते थे. इफ़ ही सक्सीड्स ही मेक्स अ प्रॉफिट और गेन और सफ़र अ लॉस. अगर वो सक्सीड होते हैं, सक्सेस उनको मिल जाती है इस वर्क में, सो ही मेक्स अ प्रॉफिट. या तो उन्हें गेन होगा या तो लॉस होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ लालाजी बायज राइस at rupees 20 per kg and sells it at rupees 23 per kg, he makes a profit with rupees 3. 23 minus 20, 3 rupees extra earned on rice. If Lalaji buys rice at rupees 20 per kg and sells it at 18 per kg, 18 is less than 20 na, so he suffers a loss. 20 minus 8, how much loss? Of rupees 2. From this, we understand the price at which a man buys his goods is called the cost price. What is cost price? Price at which a man buys his good. Okay. The price at which a man sells his good is called selling price. When the sales price is greater than cost price, man makes a profit or gain. Okay. So if sales price is greater than cost price, then there is profit, and the formula for profit is equal to sales price minus cost price. When the sales price is less than cost price, the man suffers a loss. Here, sales price is less than to cost price, that is loss, and the loss is equal to cost price minus sales price. Okay. Transportation charges, labor charges, salaries, etc. are called overhead expenses, and these are always added to the cost price to get the total cost price. So here the profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. Loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Here is the example. Mr. Lal bought a TV for rupees 5,800 and sold it for rupees 7,000. Find his profit or loss percent. Bought a TV for, it means cost price 5,800 and the sales price 7,000. Here the sales price is greater than cost price na? Okay. So Mr. Lal makes a profit. If sales price is greater than cost price, so there is profit, and profit value is equal to sales price minus cost price is equal to 1,200 now. So profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Always profit or loss percentage can be determined on cost price. Okay. So here 5,800 cost price, 1,200 profit value into 100, and you get percentage profit as 20.69. Okay. Important terms given here. Cost price, the price of anything a person buys, selling, the price at which an item is sold. Profit, P or G, it means profit or gain. The money gained while buying or selling, that is profit. Loss, the money lost while buying or selling. Overhead cost or expenses, the money spent on transportation, labor, etc. after buying the goods. Now, here's the example. Rajiv bought pencils for rupees 150. As they were of bad quality, he had to sell them for rupees 127. Find his loss or gain. Here, cost price is equal to 150 and the sales price is equal to rupees 127. There is cost price is higher than sales price. So if cost price is higher than sales price, so there is loss, suffers with loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus sales price, no, because cost price is higher. So 150 minus 127 is equal to rupees 23. Loss percentage, as it is formula given, loss divided by cost price into 100. So loss 23, cost price 150 into 100, and you get 15.33%. Here another example is given. Mala sold a TV for rupees 24,900 at a profit of rupees 600. Here already given profit value and the sales value, and you have to determine the cost price here. With this formula, there is cost price is equal to sales price minus profit, because you know there is profit is equal to sales price minus cost price. So if you want to determine cost price, so just convert the place of each other terms, and here cost price is equal to sales price minus profit. Now cost price is equal to sales price rupees 24,900, and here profit is equal to 600 given. So just subtract the profit and you get the cost price. Okay. Now Raju has a cycle worth rupees 1,800 and he wants to sell it at profit of rupees 220. What should cycle's selling price be? Here ask for the selling price and cost price and profit given. So if cost price and profit given and ask for the selling price, so because sales price is greater na on profit, so there is addition. Okay, 1800 plus 220. Danny bought a book worth rupees 850 at a loss. Here if loss, and in loss there is cost price is higher than sales price. So here book worth, cost price already given and loss given. So find the selling with subtracting to this number 850 minus 180, and you have 670 rupees as sales price. If a chair was sold for rupees 990 at a loss of rupees 110, find the cost price of the chair. As it is example above given, just determine cost price is equal to 990, that is sales price, plus rupees 110, that is loss. Because cost price is greater than sales price, so here is addition.